a bunch of pretty cool features on here. Turn left, head spray, right, touch sensing, sound, walking. Let's check it out here. Piece of tape there. Got it. All right. Pretty cool little dinosaur here. Just got some instructions. We got it's like a battery and charger. Little water bottle. This thing sprays out water too, so that's cool. We got the tail. And that's kind of cool. The paddle or the controller is like a little dinosaur fossil. And then we have the dinosaur right here. All right, let me in. There it is. That looks pretty sweet. We get little walking steps here. Let's have little motor or wheels on the bottom there. Arms. Looks like got a light in there with some spray. Let's try to assemble this here. Looks like the tail will just go on here like that. Turn it sideways. Lock that into place. I wonder if this battery is charged or not yet. Usually they come with a little bit of a charge. We'll try to hook it up and see if that works. Take out the battery here in the bottom. See if we can't plug this in real quick. Pretty realistic looking dinosaur here. I mean, I like the coloring. Probably a nice little gift for your dinosaur fans. All right, so there is that. It's got this little battery hookup right there. So that's gonna plug in right here. Hopefully. There we go. Oh, it was working there. It just, man, I wish my fingers were a little smaller. There we go. Okay. That is up and running now. And it looks like that just goes right in there. Lock that back into place. Might have to read the instructions to see where I put the water for this thing. Oh, got a little top right here. I'll put some water in there real quick. And these take some AA batteries in the back there. Of course, I use Amazon Basics. I've been using those for a while. Pretty much the best batteries out there as far as I'm concerned. They didn't pay me to say that either. All right, let's go. Let me get some water now. With this little guy and fill that up. Okay, we've got some water here. This little container. Squeeze it in there, I guess. And then I'm going to put the little lid on there. Yeah, let's check it out. I'm going to put it on the floor over here. See if I can get this guy going. Oh, I'm like, well, how do you turn this thing on? So the bottom here's a little power button. Whoa, it let off some spray there. What? Wait a second. Hey, where you going? Oh look, it's like stomping its little feet. What does this button do? Alright, we gotta get a close-up. You guys can see the like the stuff coming out of its mouth there. That's pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna go put it on the floor and drive this thing around a little better so you guys can see it. Alright, where's the off button on this guy? Calm down, little fella. So you have, oh, there's an off button right there. Okay. It's pretty cool. I'm actually gonna go and put it on the floor here, see if I can drive it around. Should be fun. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. It's actually really cool. This button, press it and it launches the outside fire. This one. Oh. Anyways, man, that is pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of little tricks and stuff. The remote looks like this is like a little fossil there. You press the head, does a demo. This button's on the side. It turns its head and spits out the fire. Forward, reverse, and then it has the different music and sounds and the light on there. So yeah, pretty cool. Also has a sensor, I think, on here. If you touch it, like gets a little angry, attacks you. So, just a really cool toy there. Whoa, calm down. Where's it going? Settle down, little guy. But for those dinosaur fans out there, like little RC toys, this thing is actually pretty cool. Looks really neat when the steam comes out there like that, or the mist. It looks like authentic, like it's like breathing fire or something. So pretty cool toy here, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.